Oh yeah. Let's go. Hey, what's up guys? Good morning. So we're going to airport today. We're gonna have our Cebu incentive tour. From Manbalay. There's people at my back. It's Daddy, Marian, and Mother. Ingat. Order. Wala na po ng belt.
Kaya malapit ako maiwan.
What?
Bumayit yung paa niya.
Pero wala mo na hit. Mag-thank you dapat. Oh, hey, what's up guys? Good morning. I'm at the airport. The people of the Philippines. So I'm using my stand. My luggage as a stand. So our flight is 9:35. But wala pa may gate. Wala pa kaming gate. And labi wala po nagkaon. So it's okay. But kaya taon-taon magkaon na siguro may. I think siguro mga 8:30. Kano gusto na mong eat kay it is way different na maka-eat jud pag na-travel from experience.
Ako mami, mo.
Or number 2. Hello? Can you call for a bit because I'm still on the plane. Okay. Evan Christopher.
Ay, sino siya nagkapanada? Saksan na dos.
Okay, taro ko lang.
Oh. Mamimili mo din maleta? Yan na yung buwan. May nasudaan. Hi there. So just arrived in Cebu. So you can see at my back. And now we're going to the hotel, check in, and enjoy the night sa Sugbo and etc. Hey guys, so we're gonna try the bus here in SM City Cebu. Oh no, malis na. Wala, naghawa na. Hawa ng bus. That's crazy. That's the bus, oh. No way. Another 30 minutes ang hintay. Free ride to New Star. Mama, yung pera, mama. So that's the bus. Hey.
Cover. And we are here right now.
SM City.
Or guys, on day one.
Oh, dito blue SM Dre. Ano pula? Hey guys. Uy. So nandito na kami sa SM City Cebu. And currently, we don't know what we're gonna eat, what we're gonna do here. But we're gonna eat kay sa oras. It's 12. Alauna day. Din typhoon. Expensive. So that's what we tasted in Japan. I don't know if this is a good option to take the video, but I just want to share it to you that Alea, my sister, bought her cookies. So she baked this yesterday. I think they finished baking this cookies 1 a.m. already in the morning, and our flight is 9 a.m. So that's a bit late, and considering that's late, we are now tired and we wanna rest on the hotel. But dito kami ngayon sa SM City Cebu because we're gonna take our lunch, and it is quite late lunch already kasi it's already 1:30. But anyways, dun sila sa Golden Bowl dim sum right there. Manyo, we're gonna buy some soup, so I'm gonna choose wonton noodles. Wonton noodles, soup daw, sir. Isa lang. Ay, nade combo. Gusto kayo na siya, sir, oh?
Sweet and sour pork.
Sweet and sour pork. Should I taste that? Sweet and sour pork or fried rice.
Yung mga drinks.
Sir, water lang. 4 of 100. That's clean. Hey guys, walimot ko. So this one is sweet and sour pork. That's 9.5 out of 10. Ano kay 8.5 out of 10. Problema lang guys, it's so spicy ako na order. Tayo mo siya kung spicy ba daw? Ano ko,
Asay mo yan, bilang pa Japan.
Then with this,
Ikan pag Japan ako, amo ka. Ako ah.
so we're gonna go to the department store to find things that we need for the island hopping. And also we're gonna go to the hotel na rest. We'll see you there. We're just waiting for our ride. Saan, SM, anong gate number? 5? Ay, excuse me, ma'am. Mo say gate number 3, ma'am. Okay. Thank you. Gate number 5, miss, sir. Sige.
Hello.
So, nandito kami sa gate 5. I don't know kung gate 5 ba ni. But the guard says so. So, let's trust them. So, nanami.
Ito, balag. Dili, Brad, importante. Dili makaigit. Guys!
We're going to our hotel na via InDrive. But si Sir Jay is, nasa emergency.
Like gibatit.
Ginatawag siya sa kalikasan. So, we're just waiting because it's quite traffic key. Oh, hey. Salamat, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, congrats. Kaabot.
Karon nagtulog siya. Pagawas lang or ngita na yun.
Wala pa, gisarado. Oh, eh.
Pero wala niya.
Malargo na ina C6. So, na itong kauban nito.
Ito mga room 6.
C6. Afternoon.
Ay, house rules na kasi. Tama na to.
Yes.
Strictly no smoking sa room, sir, ha, kung naalam. Na ay penalty sa man siya man sa Batanggol.
Okay.
Kasi penalty if ever mawala ang key.
Okay.
Salamat.
Taas pa niya.
Oo. C6. I-asa sir, saka daw. Saka. Bakit ma'am no? Wala sa elevator. Areo.
Parang dito mo pa na to.
Ay, ito na.
Nagdok mo ni.
Wait lang.
Asa ko rin si Ar?
Siya ang kabuga? Kasi around mo din.
Deliros na. Usang yung tong isa?
9 daw, 9.
C9?
Okay.
Oh, labo kasi
Yes, kanya-kanyang book tayo.
Oh. Hey guys. We're going to Sumone Hotel.
Wait na.
RF seats.
Sugbo or IT Park?
Sugatan.
Layo-layo pa yun. Bawasan tayo doon. Pesan eh.
Di mo takadulog finish. Back tayo.
Parang na duwa sila oh. So ngayon ta.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay na.
Supermercado.
Sir, sa'yo mo mga ma-recommend na dapat i-try na mo sir sa Subo.
Bisaya, raman sir, no?
Bisaya na sir ay.
Kinilaw sir nga sagol.
Sinuglaw.
Sinuglaw niya, na-election dito sa lami sad.
Oh. Mga tuloy sir, dala kong tambal.
Pero gabiin naman ko.
Asa ba ang terminal sa Tops diri sir?
Sa dito IT Park sir.
Dito gyapon siya sir.
Supermercado sir, malakaw ra gid ninyo.
Oh. So katong tagpila po da pamasahe dira sir.
Busog bi di sinubok ko sukat din nakasakay.
Basta 2 AM siya. Okay. Okay, what's up guys? So, ang kakadating lang namin dito sa Sugbo Mercado. With the team again. Hey guys, so nandito na kami ngayon sa Mercado Subo. Hey, what's up guys? I tried Gabis Express. Honey. I'm gonna try another thing later. The drinks. Ano sila 2 minutes na daw? I guess. So there's dozen people here. People Japanese. Ay, balikan sana ako sa lang. Hey guys, anong ka-video? Tumingin kaon. Horot. Ako, Bolmaro. Uy, ina.
Ako, tol.
I'm so sorry guys, nakalimutan ko video kanina. But we're done in Sugbo. Nanami ka na sa Ayala. And they bought something here from Bench.
O gani, pero kang bukas. Hindi pwede ito bukas, no?
Ocean the shoes daw po yan.
Ay, open shop pala oh.
Araw, yung niglo pa o. Nag-shop daw kami.